Hey guys, it's Scarlett Biddlecross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Happy Fall pumpkin. I have gone in first and base coated my pumpkin in the color Sea Glass, and I'm going in now with a sponge brush and just painting my stem in the color Chocolate. And then I'm going to use this sponge brush to distress the edges and also go in and add my little kind of highlight marks here, just kind of giving my pumpkin some shape and showing its ridges. Following that, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Putty, and I'm going to highlight all of the little chocolate sections and also use that to outline my stem. Following this, I'm going to go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker, and I'm going to fill in my lettering. And then once I'm done filling in that lettering, I'll go in with the number 4 round and the color Cotton, and I'll highlight all of the lettering I have here, just sticking to the left side of each letter. And then I will go in and highlight my stem, and then that completes my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.